Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to mute someone on Instagram without unfollowing. So let's head over to Instagram. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the profile or then go to followers. And in here, just head over to any followers. And in the following, just see here you can find the option of messages or restrict option. So as you want to mute them, all you can do is just I'm heading over to the following section. It may get a while to load. So in here you have to go to any one of them and then tap on the following, and here you can go to the mute option, and here you can choose which one you want to mute. Either it is stories, posts, notes, or activity bubbles on content. So yeah, this is how you can mute someone on Instagram without unfollowing. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.